Hello guys, welcome to Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you install Outlook on iPhone. So to install Outlook on iPhone, go to App Store at first. Now from the bottom right here you can see search icon, just click on search and in the top search bar just search here Outlook. Now tap on Outlook in the top. Here you can see the second app here is Microsoft Outlook, just click on it and here you can see Get, click on Get. After clicking on Get you need to double click on your side button, so double click and after that you may need to wait for a few seconds to install Microsoft Outlook. So guys, that's how you can install it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.